today reviewing 1503 at Dania, and we're gonna start from the entrance as per usual. So on your right hand side there will be a code check, and that's the living room. As you enter right away, you're gonna have a dining area on the left hand side, open kitchen on the right hand side with elevated breakfast bar, gas fireplace, southeast exposure, overlooking the park, and with a peak, small peak on the harbor. As you progress, here would be the solarium that could be accommodated as another dining area or a reading room, and then we progress in a updated kitchen with Bosch appliances, and sub-zero fridge, double sink, leading to the bedrooms with washer dryer in this cupboard. And here, interesting, we have a very, very shallow and then second bathroom of a good size, original state, but clean, displaying a bathtub. Now reviewing the second bedroom of good volume, corner windows, so that would be south exposure, lots of urban views, beautiful coal harbor. AC in all rooms, carpets needs to be changed in the bedrooms. And now making our way to the master, that this one has less window. And now reviewing the walk-in closet that is of a decent size, and leading to the master ensuite with double sink, shower, bathtub. Again, original stay, but overall good materials. Those have a tendency to age better with time. So this property comes with one parking, one locker of a regular size, 6x4x6. Unfortunately, no balcony on this property. Very good. I'm available for any question you may have. Thank you so much.